Hey, sorry about yesterday. I hope you watched to see who was peeking in my window. I was working at the school, actually, trying to get everybody's bags ready to go. On Monday, you'll be able to go next week and get your things, jackets and your journal, and if you ordered spring photos, they'll be there. And so that'll be going on then. So let's go ahead and move to May. So on Monday, that was the 4th. So yesterday was Tuesday, that would be the 5th. So to make a 5, we start at the top, we go down and around, we pick up our marker and give it a hat. And then on Wednesday, which is today, if yesterday was the 5th, today will be the, 6th. There we go. And curl on in for our 6th. All right. So let's turn the page and turn the page to write the date here in May. So the first number we need to write, Tristan. Okay, Tristan, a 5. Why do I need a 5 there? Because it's the 5th month, May. Let's do our months while we're here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So if this was July, what would our number be? Which month is July, Hunter? Exactly. There's June and July, but you can see the July has the L, July, and June has the N. So July is 7. Good. What about Xander? What about December? Without even looking, December, the 12th month. That's when our Christmas season is. I'll put a dash between my numbers. What's my next number going to be? I don't have my little guys anymore because I put all of those little wooden guys in your bag so you can have them at home. So hopefully I won't forget to call on somebody. Lily, what will be our next one? 6. Today is the 6th. Curl around. You remember from our calendar, it is the 6th. And what day of the week is that? Lily? Right, we can go from here and go straight up, and calendars will show us which day it is, so if we're not sure. So let's go ahead and do our days of the week. 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 Not very good snapping on that hand. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 I told you this hand snaps much better than this hand. Don't know why. Always been that way. All right. We'll have a dash, and then we're going to put our year will be next. Mia, what shall we put for our year? And why will we put a 20? Right. And the two ways to say that are 2020 or 2020. Right. We'll turn the page and turn the page and turn the page. And we're going to go ahead and turn the page again. We may have to come back to that page, but today is the 6th. So we will put a 6 at the front, and then somebody needs to tell me how to fill in my 10 frame. Okay, Tinley, how will I fill in my 10 frame? Okay, she says a full top row. How many is a top row, Tinley? 5. That's right, we don't even have to count it. 5, and then what? 1 more makes 6. Right. A top row and 1 more makes 6. Turn the page, past April. Now, we did not do yesterday, and we should have had a zing on yesterday because we had 4 and one more will make 5, so we'll zing for yesterday. Fill in a thumb, which means we get to fill in the whole hand. All right, you can fill in the rest of that later if you need to. And then one more for today. And so one finger on the next hand. So just like the top row has 5, our hand has 5. 5 and one more makes 6. Good. Turn the page, turn the page. Our domino today is right here. Move it over here so you can see it with our domino. 3 in the first box, 5 in the next box. 3 in the first box, and 5 in the next box. When you play with dominoes or dice long enough, you'll start to know that this pattern of dots is 5. Okay, so let's see who's next. Ethan, can you tell me what equation I can write for this? An addition equation, adding this and this together. 3, plus, because we are putting together, 5 is equal to how many? 8. Good. Read the equation with me, boys and girls. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Good job. Turn the page, turn the page, turn the page, and we have our dice. Before we do our dice, we are going to do a counting on or a knock numbers. So, let's see what we have. Oh, here, let me get my dice out of here. They'll be next. I wonder what we'll get today. Okay, so, first knock number is 37. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay. Next knock number is, kind of a tricky, 89. What will come next? 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay. Oh, 79. What comes after 79? 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Good job. Oh, too easy for you, smarties. 100. What comes next? 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Okay. Let's roll our dice and see what we get. I hope it's a 2 or a 12. Oh. Sometimes it works like that. I have a 1 and a 1. Which is greater? Neither one. They're the same. And we should know right by now that we don't even have to count these. We know that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we can fill this in. We get to fill in our 2. All right, now take a look. Can we say most? I was looking to reach for somebody's name. Xander, what has the most? Xander says 7 has the most. Mia, can we say least? Exactly, 12 has the least because that's right there. Okay, good job. Lucy, can you say a sentence using the words the same? The same. Okay, and I can't hear you, so I'm going to say that 2 and 3 have the same because they don't have any more or less than each other. So they're just the same. They are equal. So are 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are equal. They have the same. Good job. Okay, let's turn the page to May. Today, is sunny. Today is sunny. And so, let's see, what kind of sentence? I'm going to use a sentence with less than and a number. Less than and a number. See if you can think of what my sentence might be and say it out loud. See if you said this. Rainy has one less than sunny. So when I compare them, I say they have these the same, but rainy is missing this one that sunny has. So rainy has one less than sunny. Good job. Turn the page, turn the page, turn the page. Oh, those are all the old pages. Let me get to the new pages. There we go. And Mrs. Smolock brought 7 caterpillars in a jar. They each made a chrysalis on Monday. The next Monday, 4 butterflies came out. How many can still come out of the chrysalises? So I'm going to draw the chrysalises. So I'm going to put a branch here. And I'm going to draw 7 caterpillars made 7 chrysalises. One, two, three, four, five, six. It's always a good idea to count if you lose track. Okay, so there's my 7. 4 butterflies came out. So these are empty. There's no butterflies in them now. So I'm going to mark out the 4 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, because they came out and flew away. Here they are over here. They're flying away. And how many can still come out? 3. 3 can still come out. Now, can we make an equation with this? Because we had a big number, an altogether number. Some of them went away, and then we have some left. So what kind of an equation is that going to be? Tinley? Subtraction. Exactly. It's going to be a subtraction. So that means a minus sign. All right, Tristan, what's our altogether number? What do we start with altogether? Right, 7. So 7 is our altogether number, and then how many left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies left. So that means minus 4. And now after we had 7 and we take away 4, that is equal to 3. Right, these 3 are left. Good job. Okay, we had a subtraction equation today. Read that with me, please. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Great job. Great job. I hope you had a good time, and I will talk to you later.